ni era mere chui mo kan war ga ba nyonye tiene a kel gluone abiyala pangut en tie ka gamu tiene wan degni te ma jumano don kan eno sign ku tan ya ber ma jumano don ya pa tie ka timu gin maraj en dia yene yo me char ngom wa ki bor jo mati ki mirde wa tie gi jo mo ma gi tira kere ken gi wi char gi luonu yo John Bosco en luonge vole ni en latin kale pa bo.
The people of the Apaa, the people of Acoli, have been struggling for their land rights for so long. I have made an extracted chronology of their suffering. First thing you need to remember is in 2005, there was gazettement of Apaa land by the government. Ugandan government gazetted Apaa land for wildlife conservation. That is what is called East Madi Wildlife Reserve. This led to displacement of thousands of Acoli returnees who came back from IDP camps, who ran away from the Lord's resistance army war. That's the LRA led by Joseph Kony. The second thing is, in July 2015, there was a nude protest by elderly women. Elderly Acoli women held a nude protest against government officials demarcating boundaries between Amoro, that is Acoli, and Ajumani, that is Madi, which they believed encroached on Acoli land. Many women protested by undressing their clothes and remain naked. A lot of media houses covered it, and this thing was one of the biggest price in record paid by the Apaa people in the fight for the right of the land. In June 2017, MPs threatened protest in the parliament. Actually, MPs, including Gilbert Olanya and the dragon himself, Dr. Odongoto, threatened to strike in parliament due to increasing killings, evictions, and government silence. And this is reported by several media houses. The fourth thing that you should know in this struggle is, in August 2018, there was a formation of a Apaa Mediation Committee. President Museveni formed the Apaa Presidential Land Dispute Mediation Committee. This was in attempt to address the ongoing conflict. But then again, in February 2019, there was also street protest in Gulu. Actually, leaders led by Honorable Anthony Acoli, who has now changed, staged peaceful protest in Gulu city, condemning government inaction and continuous violence in Apaa land. The sixth thing that you should know is, on the 11th of June 2022, Gilbert Olanya knelt before President Museveni.
Yeah, thank you so much, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, my name is Gilbert Olanya, the Member of Parliament from Amoro. Your Excellency, the Office of the Attorney General needs to be investigated as far as the compensation is concerned. Your Excellency, as I speak now from Acoli sub-region, the ghosts are getting more money than the real claimant. We have evidence and we shall provide to your team who will be carrying on investigation. Your Excellency, the compensation processes is not going on well. We have the sub-regional claimant, the chairperson. Right now, the Office of the Attorney General have taken over all the processes. The chairman for war claimants in Acoli sub-region does not know what is going on. And they don't want to liaise and share the information with the claimant. There is illegal process going on as far as compensation. I am happy that you have tabled the list, but I don't trust. Finally, Your Excellency, the issue of security security, we trust you. Right now, the Acoli sub-region, there is serious going on in the place called Apaa. Your Excellency, you remember, we held meetings with you more than 10 times about Apaa. Right now, people are sleeping out. There are some organized of gang who came and burned more than 300 houses, and people are... I request you, Your Excellency, you are the commander and the fountain of honor. Please, let the issue of Apaa come to rest. Just only 1 minute, giving instruction to those people. Nothing. 2 days ago, we decided to go there. We were blocked never to access Apaa. The UPDF, the police officers are instructed. The civilians are suffering internally. I request you, Your Excellency, let the people of Apaa rest by giving orders and direct to those ones who are killing out.
Honorable Lanya.
And also, Your Excellency, the security personnel who are there, the UPDF and the police, are escorting the people from West Nile. They come into the home of Acoli, they chase away that Acoli, and they put the muddy person in the home of Acoli. Your Excellency, we are very annoyed, and that is the hottest issue right now in Acoli. Our youth are mobilizing to demonstrate. Our youth are mobilizing to show their anger. Your Excellency, I request, and I would like to kneel before you, let the issue of Apaa rest. It's not a political issue. In many cases, they normally say it's the issue between Olanya and Zero Moses Ali because of politics, but it's not. The politics has gone. This is life and death. I kneel before you, Your Excellency. Give directive. Let our people rest from today on.
Thank you.
I thank you, Your Excellency. I request you, let the issue come to an end of Apaa. I beg you.
Thank you. Okay. I think our time is...
which was during a meeting at Baalegem State Lodge. MP Gilbert Lanya kneeled before Museveni, begging for intervention to stop killings and resolve the land conflict. And this was widely seen as one of the biggest price paid by a member of parliament to show the need to address the problems being faced by his people. And then the seventh thing is, on February 2015, there was peace talks led by UPDF. Colonel David Biarohanga of UPDF's 501 Brigade initiated peace mediation between Acoli and Madi leaders to encourage dialogue and peaceful coexistence. On the 8th of April 2025, peaceful demonstrations were held by Acoli people, Acoli activists, including Chandano, Felix Alturu, also appeared in it, and residents held a peaceful demonstration protesting ongoing land evictions and demanding a lasting government solution. This kind of demonstration, which included holding bows and arrows, were also done by members of Parliament of Agago District. The current members of Parliament of Agago District held bows and arrows to show their grievances, their sadness towards continuous Karmajong killing of the people, the Acoli people who are in Agago District. And this is what is bringing also the discussion that if the people who demonstrated by holding the bows and arrows and other sharp objects are to be arrested, then the members of Parliament of Agago District would have been arrested first before arresting those who demonstrated in Apaa. Thank you.